Okay, hope you can see me now.
I can see
Yes,
you.
perfect. Okay. So
I'm going to mute
Madhuji,
myself.
yeah, let's do the fresh start. Okay, let me ask you one question. First, keep
Okay.
your one question in your mind. What exactly you want to ask to me?
Okay. Actually, I'm also in this holistic healing. I've
Okay.
just come back from Dubai last year, and I want to
Okay.
start my own healing center. I want to start healing people, which I've not
Okay.
been able to start now as yet because of this COVID, and I'm just come new to back to India.
Okay.
So when will I start my own healing center, or when will I start healing people?
Okay. Okay. Fine. So just give me 4 numbers. Okay. Keep your question in mind. Give me 4 numbers from 1 to 16. I will draw your chart. You can also do the same.
5.
Okay. Okay.
7.
First is 5. Second is 7.
Then 14.
Okay. 14. Okay.
And 6.
6. Okay. Okay. So now I'm first guiding you how to create your chart. Okay. So first number which came in your mind was number 5. Okay.
5, right.
Number
Yes.
5. So what is the sign of number 5? It is dot, dot, line, dot. Dot, line, dot. Okay.
Yeah.
Line, dot. So in house number 1, just draw dot, dot, line, dot. Dot, dot, line, dot. Okay. Because that was your first number.
Okay.
Done. The second number came in your mind was number 7.
Okay.
Okay. So now what is the sign of number 7? Number 7 is line, 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 dot. So same you have to copy paste at house number 2. Line, 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 dot.
Line, 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 dot.
That
Okay.
will
And
be your
5,
house number 2.
5 was, sorry, if you can just repeat for 5 was dot.
That is dot, dot, line, dot.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the third question, third number came in your mind was number 14. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the sign of 14? It's line, dot, dot, dot.
Line, dot,
dot,
dot, dot.
dot. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And the house and the last number which came in your mind was the number 6.
6.
So the
Yeah.
number 6 is dot, line, line, dot.
Dot, line, dot, line.
Line, dot.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
yeah.
So here you have created your 4 houses. Fine.
Correct.
Now, what
Yes.
is the rule from 5th to 8th? What is the rule? Your first row will become your column. Okay. So
My
your first row. So that is dot, line, line, dot.
Okay.
Just check.
Correct.
See, here I have drawn. Okay. I have drawn your four houses. So first row will become the column of 5th house. Second row will become the column of 6th, 7th. That's how you have to create from house number 5 to 8.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. So that's how you have to create your remaining houses. So it will be your 5th will be dot, line, line, dot. The 6th will be dot, line, dot, line.
Correct.
Okay. 7th will be line, line, dot, dot.
Okay, you have to see from the 1 to 4, right? You have to make it from 1 to 4.
Yes, everything you have to keep everything from 1 to 4 only.
Okay.
Madhu, do you want to show your sheet once to Khushali?
Oh, it's a little confused.
No worries.
I did it the other way around. I just did it the other way around.
No, you have to. That is why I have told us whatever it is mentioned in the presentation, everything from right to left. Okay. And let's do. I have already created your chart. So let me do a quick reading for you. Okay. Doesn't matter.
Please.
Even if you cannot do it, no issues. I will share that, the stepwise. Even after that also you can create. So don't take tension. Let me do the reading for you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. So please repeat your name and question once again.
My name is Madhu Sharma.
Okay, Madhu Sharma.
My question is, yes, I want to start my own healing center, or I want to start healing people, and when will I start that?
Madhu, in the meantime, can I just request you to bring your phone down a little bit so we can see? Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. So as per the card, I did the reading, and let me do it using Cody as well. And see, for the dice, like I will register your question. Okay, Madhuji. So as per this, Cody prediction, dice and cards, everything I'm mixing together. So as per that, your right time to start is after 4 months. Okay, after 4 months, you can start it. But the thing is, initially, you will face some struggle. Immediately, as per your expectation, you won't be able to get the result. But the thing is, please do not lose hope or patience. Okay, as you want to grow in this field, you have decided, so keep that target in mind. Even if someone is saying that it won't work and how you will be doing it and nothing is coming out, no, stay focused on your own target. Just do hard work as much as best you can do it, and with the hard work and concentration, definitely it will work after 4 months.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
And this will, it will help you to grow financially. Plus, you will get an expertise. So definitely, it's a good field. Do not get diverted. Just wait for 4 months, and definitely it will work. It will give you fame plus the money also.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Kushali ji.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank
Thank you,
you. Okay.
Ruchira.
Most welcome. Thank you, Kushali.
Yeah.
That's incredible that you can you also know approximately what around how much time it'll take.
Yeah. Yes.
How it'll improve after those 4 months or after that
Yes.
certain amount of time. That's really
And we
great
can come to
insight.
know what will be the struggle which person has to face, how much time it will take, and whether she will be popular or not. It's not just about the popular. If she want to grow financially, will this field will help give you the fame and money both, or only fame? So as per the reading, it will give you the fame plus financial abundance as well. But initially hard work is there, so do not lose hope.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
That's really awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
I have I think a whole barrage of questions from people. Deepti is asking, how are the Codis and dice read in relation to each other?
Yeah, just I'll show you the example. See, as I have told you that initially, without without this Cody and dice, what you did, you just kept 4 different numbers in your mind, and using that you created your 4 houses. Okay, remaining houses is just a addition, and you have to follow the standard what you call equations, which I have already mentioned. Nothing else in that. Now let's say you want to do it using Cody. Okay, so using Cody, how you have to do is, you have to keep your question in the mind. You have to do, and when you will put the Cody, you have to see the facing side. If the Cody is the facing side, so how many Codys are in the facing side? As per that, we have to decide your house, which will be your first house in your chart.
Okay.
That's how we will create, using Cody, we will create your horoscope.
That sounds really fun for, like, I think for people who love to apply their intuition and channel messages in different ways.
Yeah.
This is an awesome way for people to do that. It's so fun.
Yes.
It's so active. Like, there's so many little things to.
And see, this is a dice. Okay. So using dice, as I have told you, this modality is based on the 5 elements. So when you are rubbing by keeping the question, means you are sending these questions to the universe, which is the 5th one, Akasha universe. Okay. Then the interpretation will be in the form of 4 elements. It's in the form of sign. Okay. You all are aware of it. Now, the symbolic language is line and dot. So basically, the interesting part is you need to decode that language. So each and every sign is connected with the element. It is connected with the planet. It is connected with the direction. So all the things are, revolving around that sign only. So the important is how to decode that language. So when you are rubbing the dice, as per the position of dice, see, dice is nothing but a dot. Okay. So now the equation is dot plus dot is equal to line. So again, you have to follow that equations in the dice also. So using dice, you can create your horoscope.
Okay, awesome. And I just want to point out there are a few people, Kushali, who are unable to understand how to do this.
No issues.
During this
No
class.
issues. No issues. What I'll do is after the completion of session, I will give a step by step. I'll post audios plus a photos, how I have created the chart.
Fantastic.
So don't worry, everybody, just relax. I will share everything. As of now, come live, ask your questions and get the guidance.
Fantastic, fantastic. All right. And I want to just remind everyone, Kushali has been super generous. And so today there is a flash offer that's going to come up and so just hang around for that too. And there's another exciting update after that too. So just hang around for that. I'm going to quickly scan for some more questions on the method, and then we can take on somebody else as well for a reading. There's a whole bunch of, I'm looking through for questions on the method. Kushali, what happens with like 13, 14, 15, and 16? Is that just an addition using the equations as
addition using above houses? So let's say your house is between above two houses, you again have to multiply. Same process, you have to follow it. Don't worry, everybody. At the end, I will be available in the Telegram. I will help you to create your own horoscope. Okay. As of now, come live and get the guidance. Don't worry about how to create horoscope. I will immediately do it.
Fantastic. In fact, Achal is saying it's awesome. I'm loving it. Please, ma'am, I want to learn. Achal, hang on. We are going to share the workshop details very soon. Sunita says, if I don't know my exact date of birth or time, can you still do Ramal and Kauri?
Yes, it is not required at all. So you come, you have to just tell me your full name. That's all. Ramal doesn't work on the time or place or date of birth.
Okay. So for all those who are asking about how do you do it for 15, for the number 15 and 16, Charlie's going to post a very easy step-by-step procedure that you can follow later. And
if you want to create, just let me tell you, the 15th house is a combination addition of house number 13th and 14th. Okay. So follow the same equation. 15th house means addition of 13th or 14th. So just combine dot and line. Equation has already been posted, and create your house number 15. House number 16 is addition of your house number 1st and 15th. Okay.
All right.
Done? Yeah.
Okay, got that. Kushali, Deepti is asking a really interesting question. Does it mean that every time I have a new question, I'm drawing this chart from scratch?
Yeah, see, it's not every time required. It depends upon your question also.
Okay.
So when you will join the workshop, so minute details will be given when to draw and when it is not required. But yeah, some of the time it will be required to draw your chart.
Okay.
Because as of now, what you are doing is you are keeping only one question in your mind, and accordingly you are thinking of the numbers and you are doing it because you don't have any tool. Okay, I am doing it with the tool. So I do not need to create your chart again and again because it's a divine tool. It's not a normal dice. Okay, this is a charged dice which will help you to create your accurate chart. Using that chart, we can come to know all kinds of questions.
Okay. All right. That's fantastic. And that's what you teach in your workshop.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
All right. Let's take on a couple of more people. I'm going to check quickly with the team who we can take on. Can you let me know on WhatsApp, Shrupa, Amrish? Just send me some names. And again, guys, don't raise your hands on Zoom. Raise it on Telegram. I see a lot of hands on Telegram already. I see lots of charts also. I think some of these are actually correct. Kushali, I'm sure you will go through it later. And
yes,
help
correct.
everyone out.
Definitely, everybody. I will check everyone's chart wherever it is required. I will provide the guidance. I will share the audios which will help you to understand. So nothing to worry at all about the chart. Okay, I will check everything. I'll guide you.
Fantastic. Kushali, Shilpi is saying this is really awesome. Never heard of it and want to learn for sure if it's pocket friendly. And you're a wonderful teacher.
Thank you.
Shilpi, it is going to be very pocket friendly. Today we have a flash offer, so just hang around for that. There's a bunch of questions, of course, around career and relationship and things like that. I'm just checking through if there's anything else, and then I'm going to just request the team to share with me a name that we can take on. Okay, Jyoti. I have Jyoti Naik. Let me quickly check. Jyoti, you're unmuted. Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh, go ahead.
Hello.
And let me mute myself.
Yes, Jyoti ji.
Yeah,
You can ask
I have
your
a
question.
question. I have a question. I just want to ask. There are at present there are a lot of problems in my life, but one of the question I want to ask is when my husband recently has lost his job, so I
Okay.
want to ask when he will get next job, or what is the time period? Like now the notice period is going on till Jan. So
Okay.
when he will get his next job?
Okay, fine. So basically your question is your husband's notice period is going on and you wanted to ask when he will get the next job, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
So for that, you just need to provide me his full name. Okay. And give me one moment. Yeah.
Yeah. His name is Prakash Naik.
Prakash Nair.
Prakash
Nayak?
Naik, Naik, Naik.
Okay,
Naik.
okay, okay. Repeat the question once again, please.
When will my husband get a job? Because he has lost his job recently. So when will he get his job?
Okay. Please repeat the name and question once again. You are on a mute, Jyoti ji.
No, I'm
Yeah.
not on mute.
Okay, okay. Please repeat it once again.
Name is Prakash Naik. And the question is, when will my husband get his job?
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Jyoti ji, as per the cards, and as per the cards plus the dice and the Cody, I'm going to do it once again. Okay, so it will take approximate 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months to get the new job. Okay. Another thing is he emotionally broke down, or is he too much tense because of the present situation?
He is not well also. He was in ICU for 1 week.
Yeah, because
he had major issues also. And
yeah,
plus
because you know, as per this reading, it is showing that he is bit disturbed, like physically or emotionally, he is not well. That is why I wanted to check whether
yes,
is it
yes,
the situation.
Yes, he's not
Yeah.
well. He has blockages in his veins. So he was in ICU for 1 week. So
yeah, basically the thing is, you know, there are not any blockages, but the thing is, because of the health issues, his health will not support to start a new job soon. That is why, by considering the health situation in a mind, it shows that it will take 3 months. So basically the thing is, you know, it's better not to start immediately, because if he will start immediately, again he will face major health challenges. Okay, so the thing is, when you are having a multiple challenges and you will start immediately a new job and you take a break, it you know, it won't be suit for him. So I would suggest just go after 2 to 3 months. During that time, let him take the rest.
So after 3 months, like this is December, so Jan, Feb, March or something.
Yeah, approximate March mid, he can apply it and he will get it.
You will get it. And will his health also will improve?
Yeah, health is improved. That is why, you know, like in the Cody and dice, it is showing that as of now it's December, right? So February also the health will not be, you know, favorable, but from February mid the health will start improving. So from February mid to March starting March mid, the health will improve. So the March mid will be the correct time to apply and to join a new job.
Okay, but he will get it definitely.
Yeah, he will get it, but 2 months health will be plus or minus. So mentally, please be ready for it. But after 2.5 months, health will definitely improve. There will be a transformation. Okay, emotional also and the physical also. And that will be a favorable transformation. So 3 months will be the correct time for him to start a new job.
Okay, but till Jan and it is his notice period only. So,
Yeah,
so he should
but
go
the thing
after
is,
March.
yeah, but the thing is, the health situation is not favorable. So at least he need a 1 or 1.5 month break. This is what, as per the reading, the thing is, I'm just giving you the guidance. For him, it won't be a good decision, but the final call is yours, what exactly you want to do. But this is what the reading says. So let him take, just I'm sharing the opinion. As per the reading, he should take 1 or 1.5 month break, and then he should do a fresh start. Then he will be do it efficiently, effectively, because in a initial, when you are going to start a new job, it's very much important to give your best. But when
Right.
your health is not supporting, you won't be able to do it. And the situation is how tough. If person won't perform, immediately they will remove him. Okay,
Yeah,
that is
yes.
why I'm suggesting not to start in January. Start after mid-February or March mid will be the correct time.
Okay, but he'll definitely get a good job.
Yeah, he will get it. Don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kushali. Thank you,
Yeah.
Jyoti.